everybody. It's a still day, and I'm going to be reviewing some of my favorite Jafra personal products that I use every day in my shower, after my shower. And today I am going to be reviewing the Royal Olive and the Royal Almond products. These are some of my favorite Jafra products for the bath and for the body. Jafra Royal Almond Body Oil. This is absolutely incredible. This was around when I was born. I remember this smell and this incredible smell. This body oil is like, it's some of the best body oil ever. Um, and it has the most amazing texture. It's so incredible. So if you can see it, there's a slightly pink tint to it, like the bottle, and it smells like a creamy almond. I mean, when I was a little girl, I used to just like be at my grandmother's house, actually in this house where I'm sitting right now, and I would just smell this because it just has the most incredible smell. And it's really a favorite with women. Have been using this for like 50 years. Like some women, many women who love Jafra, this is like a staple product for them. It's the Jafra Royal Almond Body Oil, and it has vitamin E, so it makes your skin so soft. I mean, look at that. I don't know if you can see, but it just makes your skin so supple and so soft. I use this almost every single day when I get out of the shower. This is incredible. This is a product that I don't know if I've ever met someone who didn't love the smell of this or love how it makes your skin feel. I mean, this is just incredible. It's a staple. It's a Jafra staple. And it's something that's been in Jafra for decades because of its popularity. Now, a sister product to that, which is also equally as incredible for the bath and shower, is the Royal Olive. Okay, so the Royal Olive is like the Royal Almond, but it is olive instead of almond. And oh gosh, the smell of this shower gel, if you use this in the bath and the shower, it's like the smell and the way it makes your skin feel. It's like you just walked out of the best spa in Bali on the ocean and the beach. That's how this makes you feel. And the smell is like so light and pleasant. And it's, Royal Olive is so important, especially to the history of Jafra, because my grandparents' house, where I'm sitting now, was and always has been known for all the olive trees around it. And my grandmother actually has an olive tree here, which she was her olive tree. And most recently, when we opened the house back up for Jafra, our ambassadors planted another olive tree here on the property. And this Royal Olive was like really inspired by the trees around this property and, the foundation of Jafra. And they did not disappoint with this shower gel and the way it smells. I mean, it invokes the feeling you have when you're in this house and you just you see the ocean and the olive trees and you hear the wind rustling and, rustling the leaves back and forth. It's one of the all-time top favorites, Royal Olive Bath and Shower Gel. This is a must-have. And what's amazing is there's also a body lotion, which has the most heavenly smell. So you can get these two at Jafra.com. You can always still get this at Jafra.com. They can be shipped directly to your house. This is the Royal Almond and Royal Olive collection. Now the lotion is great. So I use this most of the time, the Royal Almond body oil with vitamin E. It's a bit heavier, so it like really, lubricates your skin. But if I'm going out, and I'm going to be wearing like, a silk gown or something like that, and I don't want something so heavy on my skin, I this is my go-to, the Royal Olive Body Lotion. It's equally as soothing to your skin, but it's much lighter, and it's really better if you're like going out and having to wear tight clothes, or if you're going out. Oh, the way this smells! And sometimes I love these, the way these smell so much. Sometimes I alternate between the two, because I can't decide. Because really, they smell so good. These are like for, I mean, they smell like they were made for royals, for real. So it's the Royal Olive, Royal Almond, and we also have the shower gel. And again, you guys can go to Jafra.com, or you can call up your Jafra consultant, and these can ship right to your house, which is so amazing right now. They ship right to your address, so you don't even have to leave the house, which in these times is so important. So these are my favorite, you guys. And stay tuned, because I'll be releasing more of my favorite personal bath and beauty products. Bye.